Let's learn how to make a foundation half double crochet. I'll be using an 8mm hook and a bulky yarn. Start off by making a slip knot loosely onto our hook. It's very important to have loose tension when making foundation half double crochet. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to insert our hook in the stitches. Start off by chaining 2. Then we yarn over and insert our hook on the very first chain that we made, making sure we catch both front and back loops. There we go. Next is we yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Next is we yarn over and pull through just the first loop. And now we are back with 3 loops on our hook. Next is we yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that is our first foundation half double crochet done. Now it's very important to note that we don't insert our hook in this loop here. I've made that mistake many times before learning this stitch. We insert our hook on the bottom where there are both front and back loops. So let's do that again. With loose tension, we yarn over, insert our hook, catching both front and back loops down here. There we go. Now yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now what I like to do is pull the stitches with my left hand and push the hook with my right hand to get even loop sizes. Next is we yarn over and pull through just the first loop. And we're back to having 3 loops on our hook. Again, pulling down with my left hand and pushing up the hook with my right hand. Now yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. Now let's do that again one more time. Again with a loose tension, we yarn over and insert the hook catching both front and the back loops, sometimes called legs. Then we yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Next is we yarn over and pull through the first loop. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. Next is we yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. And now we have 3 foundation half double crochets. I prefer using this method rather than making chains first because it gives the project a nice stretch to it. And also the edges look neater as well. So that is how we make foundation half double crochet. I hope this video helped and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!